Yes, just hold it for me.
Like this?
Yeah, hold it for me and don't move your hands. We forget the key inside the room, so we let someone to go in.
I was going to go in,
But this guy, he
The air closed the
always
door.
forget everything.
I
It
didn't forget
always
anything.
give us mess.
yes, huh?
Yes.
The owner called you and you went outside and
You are the last one who get out from the room, so you're the one.
Me now, huh?
Of course, you must be blamed. National Geographic Channel.
There's a kind of fruit in Philippines that it looks like that.
See, he will eat it.
It's also in Indonesia, right?
Hey guys, we got this one.
لا ما في خوف.
ما في
لا.
Sim durian.
This is anong animal ba to? Look at this one. Hey buddy, come on, don't be shy. Talk to me, buddy. Move your It's in your clothes. Hey guys, this is our last night in this resort, and before leaving we're going to show you something. Good morning guys, today is a beautiful day, and as you can see I'm surrounded by palm dates. My friends are still sleeping and I always wake up very early to get a good shots. We've done a lot of tours and activities yesterday, and today guess what? We're going to have a pool party! Yay! Hey guys, because of the rain we got this cool weather now, and guess what? We are eating in the middle of oasis. Look at those rocks in there. We are surrounded by the rocks and the food. How's the food?
Great. Yeah.
Just great.
Thank you. When you are saying just great, like you did it.
Yeah, we have a lot today.
Yeah.
You don't want the sauce for the salad?
It's a little bit challenging because we have to reach there before the sunset.
Yes.
Go, 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 go. Wow. Take care, huh? Take care. Okay, just push, post like that. Like that, like that. Okay, go. Move. We're going up there to take a drone shot. Yalla, let's go, guys. Because the sunrise is already on top of the mountain rocks. Ah. Yeah. Woo. Sunrise.
That's what happened.
Yeah. Where? Yes. Oh, we're going with the car. I told you we'll have photography there. Whew. Oh. Hey guys, we just getting on top of the resort. It's within the resort, and if you can remember, on the first day we found some surprises, and one of the surprises is a vintage car on top of the rock, and we're going there actually. I think this is the best part of the resort because you can see all the entire view of Alula, and also you find different rocks formations in here. So this is very cool. It's nice to be here. Look at this car. There's a car in there. Wow, it's so rare, so strange. They managed to put a vintage car on top of the rock, and it's so amazing. Look at that one. Wow. They turn on the lights, and I don't know how they managed to put lights on it, but this place right here is quite romantic and also Instagrammable. Yes, just hold it for me.
Like this?
Yeah, hold it for me and don't move your hand.
You sweat, you bled. I couldn't look 'cause your body would shake. You fear, lonely dead. Like a leg leaves you alone in the dark. Take a break, take me down there. I wanna stare at the tears, how they water your ears. Take a break, take me down.
What are you doing? Huh? You're showing the phone?
Did you give the paper for the owner of the comments?
I will send him by message.
See, okay, right, that this is on the wrong place. It should be here. Okay?
Okay. Where's the key? Huh? Hey guys, good morning. Finally, we're leaving Al-Ula and we have so much fun in here and we won't forget the memories, and for sure we're going back here soon in winter. We're looking for the owner of the resort but we couldn't find him because we're going to say bye, and he gave us 3 nights and 4 days free. Welcome to Ziyad's makeup tutorial. First, you have to put some dots in your cheek and you have to rub it circular.
Yeah, and this is the name
And
of the
this is the name of the makeup. We called it
Check it. We called it sunscreen.
sunscreen and it costs like 150 reals, right? And next, you have to rub some in your lips and put some dots under your lips and start to rub it in horizontal way. And
Because it's a makeup, so
the last thing you have to do to cover all your dark spots and pimples, you have to you have to apply 100 times
100 times until it's gone.
until it's gone. If it is not gone still, you
Do
have
it
to rub your face in the rocks.
until a week. Or use something that